If you are having trouble with black smoke from the tailpipe, poor fuel economy, or a check engine light, your truck may have a boost leak. Pictured here, we see a Ford 6-liter engine with the common spots for boost leaks highlighted in yellow. While these spots aren't the only locations where boost leaks occur, these are the most likely areas to find them. Check each of the boots for tears or loose clamps. Check the intercooler where the tank's attached to the core. The presence of oil around these areas can be a good indicator of a leak. An important first step to finding a boost leak is to check for codes. Checking for codes will help rule out other problems that could cause the same symptoms. Codes like P0299, P132B, or even P0401 could all be a result of a boost leak. Take a look at the following to see how we diagnose a boost leak in our shop using our boost leak detection tool.